Got up early, and since I had some time, uh, I started on my rear spoiler for my Chevy truck. So all I gotta do is make the fins, which is a breeze, but I'll do that later on. I gotta trim these edges. It came out a little too long. I mean, not the edges, the little point right there that don't belong there. I just gotta cut that off and do something about that. But check it out. I think it looks cool. After I do the fins, bada bing boom boom. I might glue it. I don't know what. Or I might screw it on. What do you think I should do? Glue it or put double-sided tape? So, I think it looks cool. After it's painted, I don't know what color yet, probably silver. Silver and chrome on the sides over here. Or I might just put carbon fiber wrap on the sides. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Laters. Oh, by the way, good morning. Sorry, guys, I forgot. My bad. Laters.